Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pranjali Deshettiwar, and the topic for my research is phytochemical analysis of aqueous extract of Ocimum sanctum and Moringa oleifera. These are the contents. Introduction. The plants are the richest source of the drugs of conventional system of medication, present day drugs, food, dietary supplements, folk medicine, pharmaceutical intermediates, and the chemical entities for the artificial drugs. Phytochemicals occur naturally in the plants that have protective and disease preventive properties. Phytochemicals are non-nutritive plant chemicals. There are more than thousands known phytochemicals. Some of the well-known phytochemicals are phenol, resin, glycosides, steroid, saponin, terpenoids, etc. Higher plant as assist of medicinal compounds have persisted to play a dominant position in the maintenance of human health since the ancient time. Moringa oleifera is one of the species of family Moringaceae, native to the Africa, Arabia, South Asia, South America, Himalaya region, India, Pakistan. Moringa oleifera is commonly known as a drumstick. Moringa oleifera has been neutralized in many tropic and subtropics region worldwide. Ocimum sanctum is the species of family Lamiaceae. It is commonly known as Tulsi. Tulsi is an incredible herb. Tulsi extract were active against the many infectious human pathogenic bacteria that causes the dangerous disease. These are the aims and objectives. Material. The fresh leaves of plant were collected and wash thoroughly 3 to 4 times under the tap water, then dried in the shade at the room temperature, after which it grinded to make a coarse powder and stored in airtight glass bottles. These are the pictures of powder samples. Preparation of extract. The coarse powder were then subjected to the successive extraction in the 250 ml of solvent by using the solvent Soxhlet apparatus for a minimum 8 to 9 hours. Once the process was finished, it yielded extract filter through Wattmann filter paper. The extract was kept in sterile bottle and stored at minus 20 degrees centigrade in the refrigerator. Then methods. First, qualitative phytochemical analysis. It comprised of test for detection of phenol, detection of resin, detection of glycosides, detection of alkaloids, detection of carbohydrate, detection of steroids, and detection of saponin. Next, qualitative phytochemical analysis. The chlorophyll pigments in the leaves were estimated following method. The first, total phenolic content was estimated by the Folin Tsiolkovsky method. Second, the total flavonoid content. The aluminum chloride chlorometric method was used with some modification to determine the flavonoid content. Third is the alkaloid determination using the Harborne method. Observation. During the experimental work, following observations were reported. The phytochemical characteristics of the leaf extract of Moringa oleifera and the Ocimum sanctum investigated are summarized in the following table. Um, the table shows that the presence or the absence of the phytochemicals. These are the pictures which shows the presence or the absence of chemical constituents. Quantitative analysis. The table number 2 shows the quantitative analysis of aqueous extract and the leaf powder of Moringa oleifera and the Ocimum sanctum, and the graph shows the comparison between the qualitative analysis of Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum. These are the pictures. Result. The present study was carried out on the Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum that revealed that the presence and the active phytochemical constituents. The phytochemical active components of Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum were qualitatively and quantitatively analyzed from the leaves, and result were mentioned in the following tables. From the above observation table, the Moringa oleifera leaf extract contains the resin, glycosides, alkaloid, carbohydrates, steroids, saponin, and terpenoids, but the aqueous extract were not shown the presence of phenol and steroids. The table number 2 shows that the phytochemical screening of aqueous leaf extract of Ocimum sanctum and Moringa oleifera, the presence of phenol, resin, glycosides, alkaloid, carbohydrates, steroids, saponin, terpenoids, and terpenoid compounds, respectively. The quantitative estimation of primary metabolites reveal that the various phytochemical constituents present in the plant extract that shows in the following tables. The quantitative estimation of primary metabolites revealed that in the leaf sample of Moringa oleifera and the Ocimum sanctum, the alkaloid content was 0.12 gram, 0.13 gram, and 0.14 gram respectively. Discussion. The finding of preliminary phytochemical investigation and the result were depicted in the respective tables. The phytochemical analysis carried out on the Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum shows that the presence of phenol, resin, glycosides, alkaloids, steroids, saponin, and terpenoids in the following table. But the aqueous extract of the Moringa oleifera were not shown the presence of phenol and steroids. The action of chemical constituent of the plant is unique to the particular plant species of the or group. The screening of the plant usually involves several approaches, um, uh, such as a ethnobotanical approach. The plant extract have been used for many thousands of years. Conclusion. The present study of qualitative analysis is conclusively demonstrating that Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum are good source of the various phytochemical like alkaloid, flavonoid, carbohydrate, glycosides, etc. The presence of phytochemical indicates the possible preventive and the curative properties of Moringa oleifera and Ocimum sanctum leaves. There are the quantitative estimation of the total phenol of flavonoid and alkaloid also reported, which is very important for the pharmaceutical industry for the preparation of drugs. These are some references. Thank you.